Hi everyone, so today we have is the Toshiba Air Purifier model number CAF W36USW. I've been trying to look online for a review about this model, but not that much. So you can tell this is a pretty sizable model. And here we have some of the key functionality. UV light filter, okay, carbon filter. This one can cover up to 215 square feet. Indicator when you need to change your filter and the speed of the fan. There are 3 levels. More importantly, this one actually can connect to Alexa. The rest is just certificate. So let's have a look inside. This is how the model looked like out of the box. There was a handle over here, the 3 main button is out here, and yep, the filter is actually on the back of the model. Alright, first we're gonna open up the case and then take care of the filter over here. And also, as you can see, there was actually an arrow over here. We're telling you what direction it's actually gonna go with. Right. Put it back. Alright, we're ready to test this out. Alright, let's turn this thing on and see how it sounds like. That is the low level, the middle level. Alright, let's get back. And now let's test out the connection with the Alexa feature. Okay, according to the instruction menu, you have to download the application first. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that on my phone. And let's try it out. Okay, so once you download the Alexa app and go through on the setup, so now let's try this one. So press 3 seconds to set Wi-Fi. Okay, and now, so now that we inside the application, click on this add button over here, click on add device, and you can scroll all the way down over here to get to air purifier. The brand name is Toshiba. Next. Okay, for your Toshiba Air Purifier. Okay, now let's go ahead and scan for the code. So once you are done with on the Wi-Fi setup barcode scanning, you're gonna get the Toshiba Air Purifier connected and go to next. Alright, now all the setup is done. Let's try out the Alexa feature. Alexa, turn on the first air purifier.
Okay.
Okay, Alexa, turn off the air purifier. Okay. So on the user menu, actually there's a whole list of commands that you can use for this device. So you can give it a try yourself. So my Echo Dot is actually still on delivery, but I actually have this home mini device that has been sitting here since Christmas. So I'm gonna give it a try and see if I can connect and using this one for it. So let's have a look inside. So you have the device, the Google Home Mini over there. Let me check out that part. The user menu and the cable. Right now, let's set it up.
Welcome to Google Home. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
Okay, yes. So after like playing around 10 minutes on this device, I found out that this is actually not compatible with the Toshiba Air Purifier. It's only the Echo Dot with the Alexa feature is actually compatible with it. My Echo Dot is actually on its way, so hopefully in the next 2 days I can give that a try and just set it up, and that's it for now. So thank you for watching, and I will see you guys later.